police participated in the route march at Chamrajpet ground in Bengaluru today. Around 1,400 policemen were deployed.
Next few days, we are having a very elaborate bandobast to ensure that no untoward incident takes place during the Ganesh festival. Already from the last 2 weeks, a number of action has been taken by the local officers in terms of identifying all the vulnerable areas and increasing the deployment there. We have also made a list of people who have past offences, and we have taken preventive action against them. And also today we had a route march. Basically it is a confidence building measure to build confidence among the residents here that the police are there in large numbers and there is nothing to fear about. Also it is a warning to all the people if anyone intends to do any kind of a law and order incident. And for the Ganesha festival, we are having very elaborate security arrangements. We are having almost 1,600 police officers and staff, and also especially the Rapid Action Force. One company of RF also has been sent here and they have been deployed. So in all, very elaborate arrangements have been done, and we are sure that with the cooperation of the local people here, we will ensure a very peaceful festival.